This is a one bedroom at Parkview. Nice size family room. Lots of natural light. All the units have vinyl plank flooring. The building has natural gas heat in the radiators, and there's a supplemental heat and air conditioning right there. Backs up to a quiet alley. Concrete floors throughout. Concrete walls between units. Large closet. Space saver microwave, glass cooktop, dishwasher. A lot of the original tile stayed. Some's more retro than others. Medicine cabinet. All the plumbing and electrical was just updated August 2024. Quartz countertops in the kitchen and the bathroom. And the bedroom, all new electrical. Bedrooms are nice and quiet. All the bedrooms have their own closet with linen shelves and closet rods. There are cameras throughout the hallways, all stairwells. And this is a one bedroom at Parkview.